So guys, if you hadn't noticed, Amazon is one of the biggest growing industries on the internet today. Okay, if you don't know who I am, my name's Hayden. I sell on Amazon and I talk about selling on Amazon. Don't sell any courses or anything like that, but I've got two multiple six-figure Amazon stores, and also, yeah, I use this YouTube channel to talk about stuff on here as openly and honestly as possible. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to talk about ways that you can actually use Amazon to make money in this ever-growing massive industry, if you haven't noticed that it's happening behind your eyes, without actually selling on Amazon. Because, you know, selling on Amazon's good, but it requires investment with knowledge. It requires a lot of investment with physical products and stock, and there's a lot of risk involved in that, obviously, and it's not for everyone. Let's talk about ways that you can make money without actually getting products. Let's get straight to it, okay? So look, and I'm not going to talk about any silly ways that I've seen on the internet. I've got a few notes here. I've seen stuff like Amazon affiliates in similar videos like this. Don't use Amazon affiliates. You get pennies and it's not worth it. It's just a load of rubbish, people talking about that. Invest in Amazon. I mean, you've got to know what you're talking about to invest in. I'm sure it can work as a very slow, long-term strategy. But, you know, look, you want to make money now, don't you? I've seen other ways here, like deal sheet providers where you can sell deals to them. Yeah, you can. But they pay you peanuts and you've got to find good deals, and it's not as easy as it looks. So look, I'm going to talk about real good ways that I believe you can actually make money, okay, so with Amazon without actually selling on Amazon. So in this video, without further ado, my name's Hayden. Let's dive in. So the first one is you could start a prep center. You could start your own prep center. What's a prep center? So when Amazon sellers are selling, I use two prep centers for example. So what I do is I have to get products, send them to a prep center. They prep them all up, put them into boxes, send them to the Amazon FBA fulfillment centers so they can send it out as FBA, otherwise known as Prime. That's what Amazon FBA is. If you prep product for people at your house, yes, it is labor intensive, but you can earn good money from the comfort of your own home without buying stock, by actually prepping items for other people and actually sending them to the fulfillment centers yourself. Is it a bit messy? Yeah. Can you make good money from it though? Yeah, you can charge between 40, 50p an item, even £1 an item for some bundled products. It can be a really good way to make money. You could actually scale that up into a proper business as well, eventually getting units or warehouses, etc. So that's one way. Now the second way is you could do Amazon services, okay? So Amazon services, so what's that? You could, if you're creative, you could be good at on Canva, and you could create a little agency, a services agency for Amazon sellers. Told you I was going to tell you stuff that you haven't heard before. You could create a services agency where a lot of sellers, once again, because it's a growing industry, need to use things like Canva to create their product images. I do this as well. I haven't got time to do it, so I'm actually just outsourcing that myself. You could offer that service and you could charge a certain amount per product or per 7 images, for example, which is the most sellers put on their listings, and you could actually create images for sellers. Or you could create other services as well. You could do advertising for sellers. You could learn all these sorts of skills. You could do coaching if you know anything about that. There's different ways that you can do it. There's different services that you can offer these sellers. Okay, so you don't have to buy any stock. There's no startup fees there really. And the next thing is Amazon Flex. So if you want a bit of part-time money, what you can do is actually block out delivery times, and you could be a delivery driver for Amazon. Now that might not be the best thing in the world that you personally can see yourself doing, but it could be good as a bit of extra money, a bit of extra change go on top of your salary, so that you can keep saving either to sell yourself or to start a service business for Amazon sellers or to start a completely different business. But Amazon Flex is quite a cool sort of thing that you can do, block out some time, and then you can offer to deliver parcels for this ever growing industry. So that's just a few free ways that I know that you can make money with Amazon without actually selling on Amazon. Let me know in the comments if there's any other ways that you know, and I will see you in the next video. My name's Hayden. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, me again. Just a quick interruption just to tell you that Sellerboard is sponsoring this video, and there's a 2-month free trial to Sellerboard, which I've been using for years now, which is a Amazon seller and Shopify seller, etc. profit dashboard, which gives you your monthly profits, etc. I've been using it for a long time. As I say, also gives you the ability to get your refunds, your reimbursements that are owed to you from Amazon back, and we get hundreds of pounds a week back by using Sellerboard and sending them reports off. So as I say, get the 2-month free trial and check it out, because it is an awesome bit of kit. Anyway, let's get back to the video.